I've been summoned by my lawyer. He said it's super urgent, so urgent. He just drove his motorcycle to his office and called me in. Let's see what's going on. What in the world? Zach, why are you dressed like Thor?
I got my reasons.
So what was it that was so important to talk to me about? That you drove over here in this wrong size motorcycle helmet?
I actually don't remember.
Well, why don't you sit down? Let's take it off. I need to know. I drove all the way over here, man. What is it you want to talk to me about?
It's actually something very serious. So I was watching this documentary channel. Apparently this young lady broke into your garage, stole your money, is filming all around your cars, and is saying...
This is Instagram. Why are you calling this the documentary channel?
Well, because it's on the internet. And as your attorney, I feel I must advise you that everything on the internet is true. Watch this.
I'm in this big ass Beverly Hills mansion. Let's go see what we got in here. In my garage with my fucking money, my fucking cars, pissy pussy thought, well earned, bitch.
I'm here in my garage.
Wait.
Just got this.
Zach, I told you about this. This isn't real. She came over with her mom, and we just were goofing around, and she wanted to drive the Rolls Royce. How tight was that helmet, man?
Wait a minute, who are you again?
Zach, I can't believe you made me come all the way to your office over that.
I'm so sorry. That's a false alarm. I promise it'll never happen again. Sometimes I just get a little carried away.
What kind of bike did you drive?
What? Oh, I can't hear you. My Uber's here.